Hi, I'm Soswaning for Seksyen 1. Today I will present the part 1. So let's see the graph. This is the domestic airline table. So the passenger range of 0 to 1 million, 1 million is 20, 1 million to 2 million is 2, 2 million to 3 million is 1, the same with the 4 million and to 5 million. The total is 24 and the relative frequency and the cumulative relative frequency is shown here. So next is the international airline table. We can know that the 0 to 1 million passenger is the frequency is 21. 1 million to 2 million is 1. Then same with the 3 million to 4 million and then 8 million to 9 million. The total also is 24. So let's see this. This is the graph that they show the relative frequency of the domestic and the international airline. The number all is marked here. So next is the cumulative relative frequency of airline. We can know that the domestic airline is become 1 when the 4 million to 5 million, but the international will become 1 when the 8 million to 9 million. Thank you. That's all.
Hi, Dr. Debra. I'm Kodimala Nambirajan here. Today, I would like to explain about part 2, which is calculate and compare measures of central location in each data set. Firstly, we have three things to find out here when we look at measures of central location, which are mean, median, and mode. First, we're gonna find the mean. But before that, mean is actually a primary measure of central location. We generally refer it as average. As you can see, we have two types of data set here, which is domestic and international. So in order for us to find the mean, we have to sum all the data set of each classes and divide it with total sample size, which is 24. As you can see, mean for international airlines is higher than domestic. This indicates that international airlines performs better than domestic. In my opinion, I think more passengers travel using international airlines, which is why the mean for international airlines is higher than domestic airlines. Next, we're gonna find median for domestic and international airlines. First of all, in order for us to find the median, I have arranged the observation from smallest to biggest number, and I took the middle two numbers and divided with 2 in order to get the median. So the median for domestic airline is 217,716 percentage, while for international is 137,048.5 percentage. Next, we can also find the mode using the same diagram. Basically, mode is the most frequent occur value in each dataset. From this diagram, I found out that there is no mode for domestic and international airlines. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Analitik. My number metric is BT12703. Have 3 percentage in box plot in each dataset, and the dataset is about domestic airline and international airlines. And we can see that the quarter 1 until quarter 3, the domestic airline is more than international airlines. In my opinion, I think that the domestic airline is more cheaper than international airlines, so the domestic airline will more than international airlines. And nothing is maximum point and minimum point. We can see that the international airline is more than domestic airline in maximum point and minimum point. I think that it is because of international airline is including about the tourism. They are going in our country and go out in our country. They are using the airlines, so it is will be the maximum point and minimum point will more than domestic airline. Skewness of both block in domestic airline, and we can see that the median is nearby the minimum point, so the both block skewness for domestic airlines is positive skew. Skewness of the international airlines, and we can see that the median is nearby maximum point, so the box plot for skewness of international airlines is negative skews.
So about part 4, First of all, we can calculate the standard deviation and the average of domestic airlines by the formula, from which we can compare that the standard deviation is much larger than the average. So sometimes there are much less passengers. Also, the coefficient deviation of domestic airlines is calculated to be smaller than 1. The value tells us the relative size of the standard deviation compared to the mean. This shows that the standard deviation is greater than the mean. Next is international flights, where the mean of international airlines is much higher than the standard deviation. The standard deviation is small, which means that some passengers will be well below the number. The coefficient deviation of domestic airlines is less than 1, which indicates that the standard deviation is less than mean.
Hello, Dr. Deborah. My name is Ahmad Akram, and I will be presenting on part 5, which is calculate measures of association in each dataset. As you can see here, these are the tables that we show that are 24 samples of airline and 2 types of airlines, which is domestic and international. So get the population covariance, we have to find the population mean first for both of the airlines. The table from the left side shows that we have to subtract each and every one of data for both of the airlines after we found the population mean. Meanwhile, the table from the right side, after we calculated, both airlines have to multiply it, and we can total it and to put it on the population covariance. Last but not least, inside the population of correlation, we have found that the value or the data is 2.498. That is all from me. Thank you.